If you want to learn how to orchestrate your melody in an adventurous style, then stay close to the screen. Hello dear friends! In today's lecture you will learn how to make a new texture by using the combination of horizontal break and stretch runs. Let's do it! My orchestration plan will be as follows. A one-part melodic device is on the middle register. Then the bass line and horizontal break will be placed under it. If you want, you can substitute it with the spread method. Finally, some instruments will take the harmony above the device by using the stretch runs method. So, the melody is on the 4 French horns, violas and 2 clarinets in unison. Next, the bass line will be taken by the tuba, contrabasses and cellos. 3 trombones play horizontal broken chords under the device. The accented melody is played at 40 dynamics, while the harmonic background is 1 dynamic less. Let's check the elements individually. Actually, we have done the chord construction of the orchestration. The next steps are just to add the ornaments to make the score more colorful. For more information, please visit our website asgarzadamusicschool.com, where you can find the first and second editions of the Secrets of Orchestration courses, as well as the future planned composition and film scoring courses. Some of the course videos can be downloaded even without sign-up. The second edition of the orchestration course is based on the educational program of Azerbaijan National Conservatory for undergraduate students in composition and conducting faculties. The course consists of 3 parts: chord voicing, texture making, orchestral effects. Part 1, chord voicing, is made up of 50 lectures containing several combinations of the woodwinds, brass and string sections. This is about how to voice simple triads, 7th chords, 8th chords, polychords and even cluster chords within the orchestra. All the combinations will be explained step by step. How to voice the chords between the woodwinds, then the brass, strings and finally the whole orchestra. Why should you learn the chord voicing? Because at least 50% of every orchestral piece contains the chord structure. I know that the boring part of orchestration is the instrumentation, which takes several days and you have to remember all the range, articulations, playing techniques and etc. But we've moved them to make it quicker for you to learn, so the instrumentation will be learned during the orchestration, not before. The next step is to create the orchestral texture from the piano sketch by studying more than 50 lectures. First, you will learn how to select the orchestral instruments for the melody line, and how to get the balance for solo and ensemble writing. The second chapter is about how to create the elements for the harmony line using several techniques as well as new 7 methods such as spread, horizontal break, vertical break, stretch basic, stretch static, stretch runs and hybrid. We will create different styles of textures like adventure, majestic, sadly, military and etc. Since the percussions are exotic instruments, they are explained individually in the instrumentation chapter. The last part is the orchestral effects, learning the scales and harmony, and the various playing techniques used to make orchestral effects, particularly for film scoring genres: mysterious, eerie, mischievous, romantic, action, ambience. In conclusion, the feature of the course is to delve into hot topics and explain them in easily understandable and logical masses. So, I'm gonna use the stretch runs method over the melody, as you know about it. This is an amazing orchestration technique to make a flying effect in the orchestra. The runs can be used as episodic as well as throughout the whole score. Let me show the whole variant in the Sibelius software. As you know, previous methods like spread, horizontal break, vertical break, and stretch basic are made on the harmonic plan. For example, the first chord is the G major, and I broke it into several paths. But the stretch runs should follow the melodic line and imitate it. So the first step is to determine the existing mode and tonality. In my case, the melody is written in major mode within the tonality G. Maybe your melody is in the Lydian mode with the key of G. The second step is to listen to the melody several times until you can whistle the runs around the melody. Just imagine the bird flying around the tree. Like this. To imitate the flying effect, you should use the fastly and repeated multiple notes in the bar, as if playing the scale up and down on the piano. If you find the active points on the rounds, quickly note them in the score. What does this mean? Let's listen to my whistle. As you observe, I accentuate some points in the rounds. These are called active points, while others less audible are called the passive points. They will not be heard even in the orchestra as in the whistle. I quickly note the active points. And now, let's join these points with the passive points. You can use 16th, sextuplete, septuplete, or octuplete figures, depending on the need. I will combine all of them in my texture. Except for the brass, fast runs are effective and easily playable on both and wood instruments. Flutes and clarinets will be more useful to make the whistling effect. In general, active points can be the same as melody tones and sometimes other tones. There is no rule. As you can see, the runs are zigzagging up and down. This is the main character. Let's listen to it. You will notice that some notes are audible while others are not. The same will happen in live performance. Finally, I have doubled the fourth bar with the flutes. The crescendo tremolo of the suspended cymbal and zigzag glissando of the harp make the transition more brilliant and colorful. The glockenspiel is also used only in the fourth bar, as it is an episodic instrument. So we have to stop the process, as adding other methods or elements will spoil the runs. I like stretch runs, and I'm against hiding it by adding other methods. Let's check the mockup. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lecture. Bye bye.